Australia has taken delivery of its first two Boeing AH-64E Apache helicopters at RAAF Base Townsville, marking a significant step in modernizing its attack helicopter capability. The country has ordered a total of 29 Apaches, which are recognized globally as the most advanced and proven attack helicopters. The delivery of the first two Australian Apaches underscores the strength of Boeing's enduring partnership with Australia, said Christina Upa, Vice President of Boeing Attack Helicopter Programs. Working side by side with the Australian Army, Capability Acquisition and Sustainment Group and local industry, we are delivering the world's most advanced attack helicopter capability purpose-built to ensure battlefield dominance, bolster interoperability with allied nations, and evolve with the latest technologies for decades to come. The next two helicopters are scheduled for delivery before the end of the year as part of the full order. Australia becomes the 18th nation to operate the Apache, with nearly 1,300 units currently in use worldwide. The aircraft arrival is a major boost to Australia's military capability and delivers new, skilled jobs at the cutting edge of aerospace, said Amy List, Managing Director, Boeing Defence Australia. Under our 7-year Apache Initial Support Contract, we're creating 230 jobs in Queensland, with the first 36 aircraft maintenance engineer trainees and apprentices starting training in January 2026, joining our existing 80-strong CH-47F team. Australian companies will contribute key parts for the Apache fleet, including Cablex wire harnesses, Axiom Precision Manufacturing avionics shelving, Ferra vertical spar boxes and Mincham composite structures. As the Apache program progresses, we will continue to integrate locally made components into the Australian and global fleets, reinforcing our supply chain and enhancing sovereign skills, said List.